How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and let's say you forgot your Mac password. So one day, out of the blue, you're gonna use your Mac and you see a message like this. Your password is required and you just can't remember it. There's no way you remember your Mac password, so you can't use your computer. Well, in this video, I'm gonna help you out because I'm gonna teach you how to reset your forgotten Mac password. And the best part, no data loss. We won't need to restore, reset your Mac, anything like that. You won't lose any data. You won't lose any of your files. Completely data loss. Let's begin. Okay, so all you have to do really is go ahead and click on this little question mark you're seeing right here that says if you forgot your password, you can, and you have some possibilities. Right here you have reset it using your Apple account or restart and show password reset options. And in my opinion, the easiest way to do it is this one, reset it with your Apple account. So click on this option. As you can see, the screen will go dark and then your Mac will automatically reboot. It'll automatically restart. Please keep in mind that in order for this process to work, you need to be connected to internet, like Wi-Fi or Ethernet, but it needs to be connected, okay? So as you can see right here, reset password, and then we have here your email or phone number. So right here, you're gonna actually type in your Apple account. Your Apple account is the very same thing as an Apple ID, as it used to be called. So that's your Apple account that you use also on your iPhone, on your other Apple devices. So go ahead and type in your Apple account. If you don't remember it, the email or the password, you can click on this link which says forgot password. And then you're gonna be redirected to an official Apple page which will help you out recover your Apple account details if you forgot that too, okay? So let's move on and let me go ahead and type in my Apple account email. And of course, I'm gonna need to type in my password as well. And then click on next. As you can see, your Mac will already start like signing in, and if you have two-factor authentication, that's the time you're gonna need to type in that code. You may see a message like that, recovering file vault key. Just let it do its thing. Then your Mac is gonna show you the user or users, if you have more than one, that you actually wanna reset the password for. In my case, I just have one. I'm gonna click on it and then go ahead and tap on next. And then right here, we can easily choose a new password. So type it in, a new password, verify it, and then of course, select a hint. Let's do that. So as you can see, I filled it out, put a hint, and then let's go ahead and click on next once again. And finally, click on restart. Let it restart. And as you can see right here, your Mac will be back to normal, asking you to enter your password, your new password that you have just created. Let's do that. And as we press on return, we're good to go. Our Mac is already turning on. And as you're gonna see in a second, no data loss. As you can see, perfect. So no data loss right here. Everything is loading up. All of my apps, let me just exit real quick because there may be some private information. So as you can see, everything is opening up, booting up, email, everything as usual with all of my apps, with everything. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video as usual, guys. Bye-bye.